Hello YouTube, today I will do the 5-minute challenge, and that means that I only have 5 minutes time to design the part. Let's go. For the challenge I want to design a coffee funnel. Let me explain. I love making and drinking coffee. I love making it with the mocha pot. That's how it works best for me. There's just one thing I really hate about it. And it's not grinding the coffee. I really like grinding the coffee manually. It is pouring the grinded coffee in the container, and therefore I want to print the coffee funnel. So let's jump into Fusion 360. So let's start with a drawing from the front, and we measure the coffee maker, and there we have 57 millimeters. So the half of it is 28.5 millimeters, 28.5, and then we have this. Then press X to have it a construction line, and then 1.2 millimeters. That's what we want to have as thickness because that's 3 layers. And then we go 10 millimeters up. From there we go 4 millimeters to the side, because we won't have any coffee powder falling through a gap. Then 14 millimeters up and 20 to the side. Mark these as construction lines, and then from here to here. Perfect. Now with 90 degrees, 1 millimeter, and do the same like here. Then we draw a line from here and from here to somewhere. Then we do from here to here, 0.5 millimeters, and we're almost done. Then here to 90 degrees. That should work, I guess. And yeah, done. Then we choose this, this, and this, and extrude in a circle. There we have 360 degrees. That should be about it. Yes. That's all. So we now import the model and rotate it. Then it works. Here we go. Let's see. 2 hours 10 minutes. And there we have the finished cappuccino. So the coffee funnel works better than I thought, and it fits together perfectly, and it won't fall off accidentally. The design was super good, and no coffee powder fits here, stays here, and that's super awesome. It fits better than I thought, and I thought it would take longer. It only took 2.5 minutes. I didn't thought that, and it absolutely works super good. So I would say see you in the next video.